he was sacked because of he could not perform to expectation. Because when people build hope on you and what they expected they could not get it, at least they will relieve you of your assignment. It's an appointment. It's not forever, not is permanent on earth. That's why any opportunity God gave to you, remember tomorrow, do it well, make a good name, so that even when you are not there, people will be reckoned on you. Because history will be our guide. I don't get my point. So for the sacking of Reno, it's not a big deal. I don't get my point. Because the people that gave it that responsibility felt that it's not performed to their expectation. So that is the more reason why they have to relinquish it to solve for better alternative.
Jose Mourinho, he needs to go because Mourinho is a coach that's Mourinho is based on names. You understand? Mourinho based on names. Mourinho cannot sign a player from Fida's team. He wants the one that already has his name in the team. You understand? Before he's going to sign. So for Man U to sack Jose Mourinho, it's a good idea because the team on his own, they are not happy with him. They are not playing well. Because in a football like this, if your team, as in the people that are giving you the good result, if they are not happy with you, they are not comfortable with you, they'll play anything they like. You know, in terms of Manchester United is not a small club. It's not a club that is coming up. It's a club that already stands, you understand? So they have the money to pay him off. So that's why they got to pay him. So the money is not a problem to them. One is that this new coach now that's going to come up should do more better.
I would say Manchester United took the best decision ever, because ever since Mourinho came, though he has won 2 trophies for the club, and I can't say that he has not done well. He has done well, but the players are not happy with him. That is why you see they are not performing well. So the sacking of Coach Mourinho, I guess, is the best thing that has ever happened to Man U. So they should just get a new coach to put the boys in order. Presently, now, I will ask Manchester United to go back and take Ryan Giggs back. And if Ryan Giggs is not available, then they should get what is this name again? This former Real Madrid coach, Zidane. They should just get him back, and that is all.
Mourinho that was sacked yesterday, actually in this time when they start their Premier League, in fact, this coach was having problem with his player. I cannot mention, but actually there are so many things we have been arguing about it. Some people say is the coach that is the fault of the problem, and I myself also said is the coach, because they have what they need to win their matches. The players are okay, but you know, if you are not confident, if there's no agreement in an organization, the organization will not move forward. So that disagreement between the coach and the players is the cause of the downfall, and the coach should have the solution for that. If he cannot have the solution for that, then which means something is wrong, because the coach is the leader, the overseer of the team.